Hello, in this video we are talking about adding a digital receptionist in your Elastic's telecommunication system. The digital receptionist is also known as IVR, the interactive voice response. The IVR is an automated phone system technology that allows incoming caller to access information via a voice response system of pre-recorded message without having to speak to an agent, as well as to utilize menu options via touch tone keypad. So this is our Elastic's dashboard. So now we are going to PBX and then go to PBX configuration. In PBX configuration we have an IVR option in inbound call controls menu. But before adding an IVR, we have to add a welcome message or any recordings into the system before adding it to the IVR. So for adding the system recordings, we go down in this option and select system recordings. Here you can add a system recordings for an IVR, but be sure it's in a .wav format and it must be encoded in 16 bits at 80,000 Hz. So you can also add an extension where the IVR will apply. So here we are adding 1001 as an extension and hit the go button. Yes, after that we have to choose a file that is in WAV format. Here is my welcome message and it's in WAV file format. So now I can upload this. Yes, the file is uploaded successfully. Also we can add a name to this recording. Here we are using hello travel welcome message and then hit the save button. Yes, we have saved the system recordings in our system successfully. Now we can add that system recording to our IVR menu. So then go to the PBX configuration and then go to the IVR. Here we can have a add IVR option. By clicking it, there are several options for adding an IVR. First we have to add a name of an IVR. Here I am choosing the hello travel welcome message as the name. You can also add a description according to your requirement. So now we have to choose the recording that we have uploaded earlier. Here in the announcement section we can find all our recordings that we have uploaded via the system recording procedure. So now here we are using our hello travel welcome message as a recording. Here are some bunch of other options that you can choose to make your IVR more interactive and user friendly. But the most important option is to an invalid destination. You have to choose an invalid destination if someone presses a wrong response out of your IVR. So then you can choose an IVR. So then the IVR will automatically play itself if someone hits the invalid response. Hence now we can add some IVR responses. We can add digits. It's like I am adding 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are my options for the IVR. For 1, 2 and 3 I am going to add some bunch of options so the client can connect to the extensions for the different reasons. Here are 3 extensions I am adding for 3 different agents, agent B and agent 1. And hence the fourth options I am giving if someone has to repeat the menu. So I am creating a repeat menu option. So I am again going to the IVR and then select the recording that we have uploaded earlier. And then the last option I am choosing is to terminate the call. Hence if someone presses the 5, the call will automatically hang up. So after this I am going to submit the button. This option is remaining timeout destination. If someone hasn't entered any valid response within the time, so the call will be automatically terminated, or you can choose any different options among the list. I am choosing terminate call option. After submitting, you have to click on apply config button. Yes, now our IVR is saved in the IVR list. In the other video, we are going to talk about how to connect the users to the phone system that we can call to hear our IVR message.